All right, come on, girls. Come in. Emma, come in.
Look, it's your little brother.
Little brother?
Yes.
Come here, Emma.
It's Mac.
Come here, Emma.
Emma, come look.
Oh,
You see?
hey.
Come here, baby. There's Mac, your little brother.
I've been wishing about a brother.
What?
I've been wishing about a brother.
You've been wishing about a brother. You want to give him a sugar?
You can give him a
I
kiss.
thought I was going to have a brother.
Well, you got one. There he is.
Hey, baby brother.
That was the baby in Mommy's belly, Emma.
Mommy's belly's all gone. The baby's right here.
You want to give him kisses?
We give him a kiss. Easy with his head. I'll be very, don't push. Don't push.
You need some help getting up there, Emma?
Tie her up here. She jumped down.
You want to come over here and give?
Can I hold up, Mama?
Yeah, Daddy will, set
You
you up
give him a
over
kiss,
there.
Emma?
You give him a kiss? Go give him a kiss. Let Mommy get a picture of y'all kissing him. Emma, lean over, Ellie. Lean over. Give him kisses.
Oh.